What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. As you guys know, here's Pat. He's gonna help me out with this. As you guys saw in the last video, there's big changes going on and I'm gonna have to take the head off. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take the head off of a 2JZ. Now, as you can see over here, I gotta take off the intake manifold. It's got bolts going all around. So once those bolts are off, the intake manifold comes right out. Gotta take my valve covers back off. If you don't know how to do that, check out the video up there. Once that is off, I gotta take the spark plugs and the coil packs out.
Ignition coils out.
Yeah, the ignition coils. I gotta take all that off and then take apart the front of the cams, you know, the VVTi part, so the cams could come out. So yeah, you guys will see what it looks like in here. So we're gonna get started.
I'm excited. This is the first time I'm gonna see like a motor get taken apart. I'm excited.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool. You're gonna see like all the cams. You're gonna see the pistons and everything. It's gonna look really cool. Ta-da!
Yay!
Ooh, they're dirty. Look at that.
Yep, you can see it.
They're a little oily, but if you look in here,
Dude, they look like they were just freshly walnut blasted.
yeah.
They're so clean.
Well, since I'm sending the head out, they're all gonna get super clean. We're gonna continue. We're gonna take out the ignition packs. Oh, there's the spark plugs. Gonna take this off, and we'll show you guys from there. Alright guys, took off the valve cover, took off the intake manifold, and yeah, you guys remember this, but we did take off all the center section. So now's the fun part. Are you excited? We're gonna take off the cans?
I am excited. I'm cold, but I'm excited.
Oh, it's cold in here. It's real cold. We don't have heat.
My toes are cold, my hands are cold.
Yeah, it's like, what, 34 outside?
Yeah, it's probably about 40 degrees in here.
Yeah.
We're lucky.
We need heat. Alright, we're gonna slowly loosen these because I don't want these to break. If you just like loosen the ends and go this way, it might actually crack it because they're so long. So, you know, loosen them little by little all around. Then we're gonna pop them off. And then we're gonna find where the studs are to hold the head in because I don't really know. I've never done this before. We're gonna figure it out. Alright, check it out. The cams...
Check it out.
Check it out. The cams have a spot where you can put an open end in there to hold it in place. While you go to the front and loosen it up. I put a rag to protect the head, so I don't want this all of a sudden to slip, crack the head, my head's no good. It's crazy. So same thing with the other side. I'm gonna put the open end on this, put in the hex in here, and twist it and take it off. Alright guys, we took off the cam gears, took off the cams one bolt at a time like I said, and took them off. You can see like the valve, like the lifters and all that stuff. And in here you can see the bolts for the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I gotta get in there, loosen all those, that way the head could come off, and then it'll be done. Alright guys, as I was trying to take out the head studs from the head, I was using a 10mm hex. I kinda sort of broke it. And yeah, I don't have another one, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll shoot to Home Depot or something like that, see if I get a good quality 10mm. And yeah, I'll continue from there. What's up guys? Welcome back. New day, new tools. We got the proper sized, proper tool. It's a 12 millimeter 3 square hex or something. It's something weird.
I think it said like M12 on the box.
Yeah, M12. I did say 12. There we go. So we got that in addition to the garage, and we also have heat. Look at that. We got heat in the garage. So we're a little warmer, but I can still see my breath. We are going to continue taking the head off. And as I said before, got a couple bolts in there and got to take them off a little at a time, one by one, till they come off. And then the head comes up. And that's it. Then the head will be done. Then I can send it out and they're going to clean it, do a valve job, new titanium valve springs, and then I'll get it back and start slapping everything together. Woo. Alright, so I loosened them all, starting in the center and going out. Just a little loose. And now, from the center out, just gonna loosen a little more. Alright, the head studs are out, so the head is loose. I'm a little nervous to take it off, because, like, what if the piston rings are, like, super burnt on top? I am a little bit nervous.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
But we definitely gotta loosen it first.
So you gotta loosen it, bro.
Sorry about the handy dandy hammer. Going off.
Oh! Wait, are you recording?
Yeah. There we go. Now where am I gonna put it?
Oh my gosh. I've never seen this before. Are the cylinder walls scored?
Hey, you guys wanna see what it looks like? Check it out. They're dirty because when we did the compression test, remember he poured the
Transmission fluid on.
transmission fluid. If you guys didn't see that compression test, make sure you click up there. But yeah, I mean the cylinder walls are super clean.
Super clean.
This is pretty sweet. Oh, this is the head gasket. If you look here, you don't see like antifreeze coming through, like any discoloration or anything. Woo! Man, it's a little stubborn, huh? Looks good too.
Whoa.
Dude, this head gasket was sealed nice.
Oh, here's the bottom of the head. Hey Pat, you got some light? Look at that.
All the valvers.
Yeah, got the intake, 2 intake and 2 exhaust valves. Look, the engine kind of looks funny now. It's a little.
It's so smooth. There's no scoring or anything.
I am gonna clean them up. I'm gonna vacuum it because you see all these little tiny little pieces in there. See them? So I am gonna vacuum them up. I'm gonna clean what I can and clean up here. So the head gasket will seal nicely, the new head gasket. And I'm gonna send the head out to a machine shop. They're going to resurface it if it's needed, which means like they're gonna, you know, make sure that this is perfectly straight. So it seals as nice as it can, like the bottom of it onto the block, seal as nice as it can. They're gonna take off all these little valves. They're gonna take them off, and it's called, I think, loping. I think it's called, and it makes sure that the valve seals against the head. And they're gonna put new valve springs, so it can take the high RPM that this car is going to be pushing, the high power that this car will be pushing.
Is when you do the cams and everything like that, is your RPMs gonna change? Your red line?
My red line will change, and that's going to depend on parts. So my cams that I ordered, I think they're good up to like 78 or 8,000 RPM, and the valve springs will be good for more than that. So I'll be getting close to 8,000 RPM. I should be getting
nice.
upper sevens. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a screamer.
Definitely. Mine, I feel like mine screams, but mine only goes to 7,000. That's for my end.
I think 7,000 is still a screamer.
I think 8,000 is gonna be even more.
I think 8,000 is about 1,000 RPM more of a screamer.
I think an R34 though, when they rev up to like 12,000 RPMs.
That's just crazy. That's like
Look
that's
at them
like F1
fight.
car.
Yeah.
I do have to send the head out. I don't know exactly how long that's gonna take. Hopefully it's quick. That's it, Pat. We got it. We did it.
This is very interesting. It's the first time I'm ever seeing a motor like this. It almost makes me want to like do this to my M54 motor.
You should. Hey, do you guys think you should do this to an M54 motor?
I think, all right, look, I think we should do a compression test. And if something's wrong with the compression and the motor's not actually like still usable, then I think once you're done with this, I think I'll take the engine stand and then we'll take mine apart. But only if there's something actually wrong.
You know what? I think if you guys really agree with him, comment down below, rip up the N54. But that is it for this video. Make sure you go down, click that subscribe button, click that notification button because you want to see this. You guys want to be like the first ones to see this build. It's going to be quick. Once I get the head back, it's going all together. It's going in the car because I already got the motor mounts and everything. It could slam it right in. But that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned till next time. Remember, work hard, stay humble.